Hey guys, I'm JD Schomburg here on the floor at Cast Expo, where we are looking at the robotic tools, the scanning and training applications for this. So we're checking out the Creaform Handy Pro, which at Q-Point has turned into a robotic training tool called the MagiQ Wand. So initially we're starting with the grinding application and just training it here, sending it to the robot over there. But we decided to go ahead and try doing this on the scanner. So we'll go ahead and start by collecting the path. I'll just show that here and start going around the part, and then we'll just go crisscross through it real quick, and maybe 2 times that way. We'll call that good. So now we come over to the computer and go ahead and just save this path and send it to the robot, and it'll take the part with us. Tell the robot to go and watch it scan the part. So again, we're going to go in a square around the part and then zigzag through. So that's just a few ways that we partnered with Q-Point online resources to bring the different tools to make robot and scanning way easier for your 4.0 environment.